Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk.
First step is to install my new dash cam on the rear view mirror. Okay, so I'll show you guys from the side view how to do it. So you can see here some rubber bands on this. So I'm going to undo one end of the rubber band. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to put the dash cam over the rear view mirror. Okay. And then I'm going to try and hook the rubber band on from the bottom. Now we're going to plug this into the dash cam, plug the power cable in. Alright, so the power cable is in. We also need a SD card. Plug the SD card in from the top. Alright, SD card is in. Wow. Okay, so we can see a bit of a problem. Make sure your camera is outside of the rear view mirror, otherwise it won't catch anything. Alright, so that's how you do it. Okay, let's turn it on now and see if it works. So you can see it's actually started recording. So the thing is, how do I make it go back to showing the mirror? So there is actually a power button below the camera. So if I click on that, if I press that button, it now goes back to showing the mirror so I can see myself. So yeah, that's the switching between totally turning it off, recording, showing a bit of road icon. We'll figure out what that does in a second. And no display. So 3 things you can switch between. Note the video recording is not stopping. So during the time I'm pressing the button, the video continues to record.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.